Are you still using your personal Facebook and Instagram to run your business? Then you're losing customers every single day. Today, I'll show you why Facebook pages and professional Instagram accounts are powerful, what benefits they give your business, and a quick step-by-step tutorial to set them up. Let's start. Part 1. Why business accounts matter. Benefit 1. You look professional and trustworthy. When someone finds your business online, the first thing they check is your profile. A Facebook page and professional Instagram account makes your business look legit, builds instant trust, separates personal life from business. People trust business profiles, not personal accounts. Benefit 2. More reach than personal accounts. Facebook and Instagram push business content more when it's optimized properly. With professional accounts, you get better visibility, more reach on Reels and posts, higher chances of appearing on Explore. Personal accounts don't get this advantage. Benefit 3. Access to insights and analytics. This is a big one. You can see who is viewing your content, age, gender, and location. Which post is performing best? Best time to post? Without data, you're just guessing. Benefit 4. Easy customer communication. Business accounts allow call button, WhatsApp button, DM automation, quick replies. This makes it easy for customers to contact you, and easy means more leads. Benefit 5. You can run ads. This is where real growth happens. You can promote your services, run local ads, generate leads, retarget interested people. You cannot run proper ads without business accounts. Benefit 6. Faster growth with Reels and Stories. Professional accounts get Reel insights, story reach data, trend access. Reels are currently the fastest way to grow a business organically. Benefit 7. Strong foundation for long-term growth. Think of Facebook page and Instagram professional account as your digital office. If you ever want a website, paid ads, collaborations, brand deals. This setup is step number 1. Now I will show you how to create a Facebook business page. When to grow your business or personal brand on Facebook. In this quick tutorial, I will show you step by step how to create your own Facebook page. First, open Facebook on your desktop. Click the menu option, go to the Pages option and select Create New Profile or Page. Then select Public Page option and then Next. Then get started and enter your page name. This could be your business or brand name. It is our demo page, that's why I name it Demo. Then select your category. We choose Marketing Agency, and you can choose this category according to your business, Digital Marketing Agency, Real Estate, or whatever fits for your business. Then add a bio, and then click on Create Page. After clicking, we will find more information to add like website, phone number, email. In location below that where you put your address like city name, town, zip code. So one by one you can add the option. We will put our website here first, then we can put email or address and so on. After you finish all, click on the next button. Then we will find Add Profile Picture and Add Cover Photo. It's for customize your page for look and feel. Generally, profile picture is your business logo. You can also add a Add Action button. Then click on the next. Then here we can add our WhatsApp number on it so audience can message you and you will receive it in WhatsApp. We will skip it for now, then click on the next and then done. Your Facebook page is ready. Keep posting regularly to grow your audience and build your brand. Okay, next quick tutorial on Instagram professional account. Hey everyone, welcome back today. I am going to show you how to turn your Instagram into a professional account. Whether you are a creator, business owner, or someone who wants to analyze and grow things, this is for you. Open the Instagram app and make sure you are logged in the account you want to upgrade. Then click on these 3 lines and then select Settings option. And here at the bottom, you will find Account Type and Tools. Option, click on it. Then here you will select switch to professional account, and then here you see two options. The creator and the business creator is best for influencers, coaches, speakers, bloggers. On the other hand, business option is best for brands, shops, services, or service providers or agencies. For now, we select creator option and then click on the next. Then again, you can click on the next option, and then here you can select the category, then we can select anything. Like for now, I select personal blog and click the option done. And then continue. Now here we see your account is creator, account is ready now. Click on done now. Our account is be a professional account, so that refreshes wells. And then you see here the option, professional account, click on it here. You can put your email address, here you can put your WhatsApp number here, you can put your phone number, and if anyone wants, can reach to you, they can call you or text you from here. You can select the option and then you can click on the submit option, and that's it after switching. Upgrading your bio, add the profile, and start posting content that represent your brand. Now you know why business accounts matter, what benefits they bring, how to set them up quickly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more digital marketing tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.